with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Here we solve questions from various MSc entrance examinations. So today's question is from JNU Biotechnology Examination 2018. Let's see what's the question. Substitution of thymine by adenine base in DNA is known as transposition, transition, transversion, or frame shift. So this is a question about the mutations which take place in a DNA. We'll go through each and every mutation type and find the answer. Discussing with the first option in the question, that is a transposition. So what is transposition? This is a moving of transposon from one place to another place in a genome. See, in the genome there are some sequences, DNA sequences, which are mobile elements which can jump from one place to another place. These are also called as a jumping genes. See here, these can be a transposon or these can be a retrotransposon. The mechanism by which these get inserted classifies these into two types. So first, looking at the transposon, what happens here? Donor DNA is there. In that green colored I have shown, that is a transposon. It get come out after from that donor DNA and get inserted into the target DNA. So this is a simple process by the transposition takes place. Whereas in case of retrotransposon, what happens? This donor DNA, the transposon in a donor DNA get first transcribed into a RNA intermediate. Okay. Now this RNA intermediate reverse transcribed to the DNA. And now this DNA get inserted into target DNA. So one step is additional in case of retrotransposon. First it get converted to RNA, then again to DNA, and that DNA part get transposed into a target DNA. Here, when we say transposon, this is a cut and paste mechanism. That the initial site, there is no transposon is present after it get transposed, means it get transferred, right? Whereas in case of retrotransposon, the copy of this transposon get transferred to the target DNA. That's why this is a copy and paste mechanism, whereas this transposon mechanism is a cut and paste. Now, in reference to our question, here the polynucleotide is cut from one side and getting attached to another DNA. Okay? Whereas in question they are asking thymine and adenine bases. So this is not the answer for our question. Now let's look at the other options. The next two options are transition and transversion. These two are the types of substitution mutation. So what happens in a substitution mutation? One nucleotide is replaced by another. So when purine is replaced by purine and pyrimidine is replaced by pyrimidine, the type of mutation is known as a transition. In this we know that A and G are the purines, whereas C and T are pyrimidines. So the replacement of G to A or vice versa A to G, this we call as a transition. When the transversion is there, purine will get replaced by pyrimidine or the pyrimidine can be replaced by purine. So the type of mutation would be called as a transversion. Right? Now here 8 possibilities are there when we say purine to pyrimidine or pyrimidine to purine. Here this thymine is replaced by adenine. This is the point where we get our answer. In the question the thymine base is replaced by adenine and the type of mutation is asked. So the answer for the question becomes a option C, that is a transversion. But as always, we will discuss the next option also, so that we'll understand what is a frame shift mutation as well. When we think about the frame shift mutation, there is an addition or deletion of nucleotides in a reading frame. How this occurs? See, this is a DNA sequence, and normal in case of there is no mutation, then the normal mRNA would be formed like this. In case of addition mutation, if we say TA is the base which is get added in between this C and G, then what would be the DNA sequence? So this is the DNA sequence from which the mRNA would be formed. It will have ACU as the first code. Okay, whereas in a normal case, the ACG is the first codon. So this will code for another amino acid, this would code for some other amino acid, right? When we say deletion, if the frame shift mutation is of type deletion, if this GC base pair, this one, if this get deleted, GC deletion, then again the frame will get shifted. Okay, so due to this shifting of frame, again when mRNA would form, it will have some another codon. Here it is ACC, whereas in normal case it is ACG. Again there would be a difference in a codon. Not only first codon, all other codons would also get shifted. So the formed protein would be totally different from the protein which is present in a DNA without the mutation. So this is a type of mutation we call as a frame shift mutation. So the correct answer for this question is option C, that is transversion. Transversion is the type of mutation when there will be change in a thymine base by the adenine. Now I am here with a question based on the same topic, that is mutation, from the TIFRGS 2017 exam. We'll see the question. Which of the following point mutation would be most likely to affect protein function? This is the question, and different codon sequences are given in the options. We'll solve this question in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.